The science of microwaving, separating fact from fiction in food safety. Microwaving has revolutionized the way we prepare meals, offering unparalleled convenience and speed. Despite its widespread use, persistent myths regarding the safety of microwaved food have raised concerns. In this video, we aim to dissect the science of microwaving, dispelling myths and revealing the truth about the safety of this innovative cooking method. Understanding microwaving. 1. The basics of microwave radiation. Microwaving utilizes non-ionizing radiation, a safe form of energy that does not alter the molecular structure of food. Unlike ionizing radiation, which has sufficient energy to remove tightly bound electrons and potentially cause cellular damage, non-ionizing radiation, in the form of microwaves, heats food without posing any threat to its safety. 2. Microwave ovens emit electromagnetic waves, specifically microwaves, which interact with water molecules in food. This interaction causes the water molecules to vibrate, generating heat and cooking the food from the inside out. The process is efficient and rapid, contributing to the overall safety and convenience of microwaving. Dispelling myths. 1. The fear of radiation exposure from microwaving is a common misconception. Microwaves are designed to contain the radiation within the oven, and the levels used are well below the threshold considered harmful. The radiation emitted by microwaves is non-ionizing and lacks the energy to induce changes in the DNA structure or pose any health risk. 2. Contrary to the belief that microwaving diminishes the nutritional value of food, studies show that microwaving can actually be a superior method for nutrient preservation. The shorter cooking times and reduced use of water contribute to better retention of essential vitamins and minerals compared to traditional cooking methods. 3. There is no credible evidence linking microwaved food to an increased risk of cancer. The non-ionizing radiation used in microwave ovens is incapable of causing the genetic mutations associated with cancer. The safety of microwaving has been affirmed by regulatory bodies and health organizations worldwide. Advantages of microwaving. 1. Microwaving is inherently energy efficient, as it directly heats the food without wasting energy on heating the surrounding air or cookware. This efficiency not only reduces environmental impact, but also contributes to lower energy costs. 2. The quick cooking times associated with microwaving make it a convenient option for busy individuals. The ability to heat or cook food in a matter of minutes promotes efficiency in meal preparation without compromising safety. In conclusion, the science of microwaving dispels common myths surrounding its safety. The use of non-ionizing radiation, coupled with efficient cooking processes, makes microwaving a safe and practical method for preparing food. It's essential to separate fact from fiction, to fully appreciate the benefits of this widely used kitchen appliance, and embrace it as a safe and convenient cooking tool. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing to my channel and leaving a comment with your thoughts.